Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So now I'm going to tell you about statistics regarding statistics subject semester 1 Kakatiya University unit 1 important questions. So descriptive statistics and probability, its name is paper 1 name is descriptive statistics and probability. So unit 1 name is descriptive statistics. So in that I'm going to tell you important questions though. So the first question is, what is meant by primary data? Give any two sources of primary data. They may ask like this, or else define primary and secondary data. That means one question, how many ways they'll ask, that also I'm going to cover in this video. So, and the third question is, define central and non-central moments. State their interrelationship. Interrelationship in the sense central to non-central, non-central to central. We have to. So this is very important question in every paper. It will be definitely. Okay. In every year, if you observe, this question will be definitely. Okay. The next question is, define moments and write types of moments. Okay, so nothing but, so central and non-central are the types. Okay, so they may ask about moments like this also. Yeah, next, define courtesies and prove that it is greater than unity for any frequency distribution. Okay, so courtesies in the sense beta 2 greater than unity in the sense what, beta 2 greater than 1, we have to prove that. Okay, so what is skewness? Okay, and the next is, explain method of frequency distribution for an ungrouped data. So they are asking us to explain frequency distribution. Define mode and median of the data. Nothing but measures of central tendency. Okay, so define mode and median of data, write their merits and demerits. Next, prove that sum of deviations from arithmetic mean is 0. So this is one of the property for arithmetic mean. Next, define mean deviation, standard deviation and coefficient of variation. So this comes under what, measures of dispersion. And the next is, explain classification and tabulation of data. Okay, so these all are the short questions. Okay, short questions they'll ask in this way, like this, the short questions will be. And next, when comes to essay, see here, explain various methods of data collection and editing. Okay, so nothing but primary and secondary data. So how they will edit it. So explain various measures of central tendency with suitable examples. Okay, and the next is, explain various measures of dispersion and write their merits and demerits. Next, what are the different methods of collection and editing of primary data? Nothing but here. So this question only they may ask in this way. Okay, describe any one method in detail with example. Okay, so this is direct, indirect in the sense like this they will ask. Okay, and the next is, what is a questionnaire? What is its usage? Design any questionnaire to collect the opinion of public in demonstration. Okay, so next is, what is grouped data? Why Shepard's corrections are made for moments? Next, explain various measures of skewness and courtesies. See, this is also very important. If essay is missed, definitely they will ask in short, skewness and courtesies. Okay, see, this question may be asked in this way also. Define skewness and courtesies, explain various measures of skewness. Okay, so in this way they might ask, or else they will ask like this if it comes to essay. Okay, so define central and non-central moments. Also derive the relationship between central and non-central moments. Okay, so if it is essay, they will ask like this. And short in the sense how they will ask, we have seen. Define central and non-central moments, state their interrelationship. That's it. They did not ask us to derive. But here they asked us to derive. So define skewness, explain measures of skewness based on quartiles and moments. That means skewness question can be asked in many ways. See here. Define skewness, explain measures of skewness based on quartiles and moments. And this question they may ask like this also. Define skewness and courtesies, explain various measures of skewness. Okay. So different ways. How many ways there are chances to ask the same question in different ways. I have shown here. Okay. And the next is explain various methods of data collection and editing. Nothing but this is repeated many times. That's why I have written here again. So many times this question has repeated. Explain various methods of data collection and editing. So if you overall, if you observe, the mostly repeated questions are central to non-central relationship and measures of central tendency, measures of dispersion. Okay, so skewness, curtices. If you read these 5 questions, most repeated questions are these 5: skewness, curtices. Next is central to non-central in relationships, measures of central tendency, measures of dispersion. Okay, after finishing of these 5 questions, you may go to primary and secondary data. Okay, but these 5 are the most important, what I said before. Okay, yeah, thank you for watching my video. So if you like this video, don't forget to like it and don't forget to share it with your friends. It may useful for them. Okay, if you are watching my video for the first time, please subscribe my channel. Okay, thank you for watching once again. Have a nice day. Take care. Bye.